This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 60, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part B. This concludes the NPTEL online course on Smart Grid, covering fundamentals and implementation, with viewers encouraged to expand their learning through literature and web materials. The course aimed to provide a comprehensive understanding of smart grid concepts, including case studies, control schemes, protection schemes and analysis methods with discussions on AC/DC and zero smart grids. Simulations, modeling, and analysis of AC/DC hybrid smart grids were discussed, along with government initiatives to encourage smart grid. Research by young scholars, India's smart grid goals of full-scale projects, rooftop PV, and EV adoption, and the significant journey towards 40,000 MW rooftop PV by 2022. Pilot projects aim to incorporate advanced systems like AMI, PQM, and outage management into distribution networks, with projects costing around 9,589 million rupees underway in various cities under NSGM and other initiatives, and leading institutions actively conducting research in a smart grid supported by Indo-UK collaborative projects. The Puducherry pilot project implemented advanced functionalities like AMI, DSM, renewable integration, and EV charging, while the Chamundeshwari project installed smart meters, DSM, and analytics, and IIT Kanpur executed a small-scale smart grid pilot. Potential research areas for further exploration in smart grid technology were identified, including operation control and protection, energy management, supervisory control, power grid modeling, seamless grid operation, forecasting, and cybersecurity aspects. Device and converter technology in smart grids focused on fault ride-through enhancement, grid interfacing, islanding issues, seamless transfer technology, ancillary services, optimal design, coordination and control of converters, and converter technology for HVDC and medium voltage DC systems. Energy storage and management in smart grids addressed issues related to storage and deployment of energy resources, policy and regulatory factors, demand management, optimization and forecasting techniques, and optimal mix, siting and sizing of energy storage systems. Industry leaders such as ABB, Accenture, Capgemini, Cisco, Cyan, HCL, NDPL, General Electric, Emitter, Elster, IBM, Infosys, Kema, Siemens, Schneider, Mahindra Power Grid, and POSCO are working on various aspects of smart grid technology, offering long-term opportunities for growth and development of professionals. The course covered simulation, modeling, theory, and execution of smart grids comprehensively, exploring smart grid architecture, modeling, simulation and analysis at AC, DC, and hybrid levels, examining case studies, and aiming to provide a thorough understanding of smart grid concepts and real-world applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.